Building Up is a pre-apprenticeship program for folks with barriers to employment. What we do is we offer a comprehensive 16-week program. Half the time they're actually doing work placements in different projects in the city, and the other half the time they're getting all the other support that they would actually need to be successful in the trades. So boosting their math skills, customer service, actually getting an introduction into what these trades entail.
And when we're in class, we go over like math upgrades, or they take us to different unions like La Una, the drywall unions, and we get to see how it works with the stuff we need, like academically.
They give you the experience and all the exposure you need, even if you don't have it. And the type of works we did radiators, we did toilets, we did window washing.
And it's great. They really take guys from like that struggle with getting work, and they work with them from like everything, academically, punctuality, and even if you don't get into their program, the cohort, they don't just throw you away. They give you other opportunity for work.
We have several contracts with people working every single day on a large-scale construction project, and people say, "Oh, I'm seeing this differently now. I'm seeing different opportunities." It's given us a stable source of revenue and a stable source of placements for people to be at.
If you look around the city in Toronto, you will notice that almost everywhere there are construction projects going on. And one of the reasons that Building Up was founded was basically to bridge the gap between the work that's actually getting done in a big city like Toronto and the people that desperately need this work. It's fantastic, and that a company like Crosslinks has gone out of their way to basically give a company like us a shot, because ultimately for us the question is, why not?